friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and easy cookie for Valentine's that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To make this delicious and amazing cookie for Valentine's, these are the few ingredients. Of course, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of butter with salt, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, color and flavor, and I am going to incorporate it really good until I create a ball of dough. Once this is done, we are going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour to our working table, and we're going to start rolling out this dough. Very easy to prepare with very few ingredients that you might already have at home. So here, let me show you how easy this is. Once you roll it out, 1/2 inch, you decide how thick or how thin you want your cookies, of course, and you decide your cookie cutter. I have a hard cookie cutter that I am going to use. I added a little bit of all-purpose flour so it doesn't stick to the dough. And of course, I'm going to use all this dough. I'm not going to waste any at all. Here I want to show you how easy it is to prepare these delicious, very crunchy cookie, but nice and gooey from the inside. Look at this. With the spatula, I'm helping myself so I could add it to the baking dish. And here I'm going to continue rolling out the dough until I am almost done with this dough. Let me tell you, I'm going to have maybe like 10 or 12 cookies. It all depends how big is your cookie cutter and how thick you make them. But 1 cup of all-purpose flour is just enough for you to enjoy a delicious homemade butter cookie for your Valentine's. Look at this. Look how easy it is. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And if you have little ones at home, invite them in the kitchen so they could help you decorate these beautiful cookies. I am sure that they're going to have a lot of fun. And like I said, I'm not going to waste any of this delicious dough. So I have a small cookie cutter and I am going to use it, spreading really good, rolling out the dough and getting almost everything. Look at this. Always preheat your oven 350 Fahrenheit before you add these cookies into your oven. These are the ingredients for the decoration. 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, the sprinkles, and of course, powdered sugar. Look how beautiful they look. This is just amazing. Of course, you could decorate with any sprinkles you have at home. These are the sprinkles I have here at home. So these are the ones I'm going to use for the decorations of these hard cookies. Look how beautiful the sprinkles are. And now I am ready to start preparing the powdered sugar and the milk. In total, I believe I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, but add a little bit at a time. You make sure that you add very little and then you continue adding. You want to add just enough milk for the mixture to be nice and runny. Not too runny, nice and thick. And I'm going to show you how it should be, but take your time when you're mixing away. Look at this. This is perfect. I only use 2 tablespoons of milk to 1 cup of powdered sugar. Look at this. Look at the thickness. It's not too runny. It's nice and thick. Remember, once you add them, you're going to decorate your cookie. You want the cookie to be at room temperature, not hot. I'm taking the cookies out of the oven and look at this. They look amazing. We're going to wait for a couple minutes before we start decorating. Of course, you could cover it completely with the sugar mixture and the sprinkles, or just do half. I am going to just do half. Look how beautiful this looks. Very easy to prepare. You have little ones, bring them in the kitchen, have them decorate these beautiful hard cookies. And now I am going to put it back in the same baking dish and continue with the decoration. Look how easy it is. Remember, when you make cookies at home, you have control of how much sugar you add into your baking dough, into your amazing cookies. They look beautiful. Well, I'm going to continue decorating these cookies, and then I'll see you when I am done. They look amazing and very easy to prepare and very few ingredients. And that's the best part. Look at this. I hope, my friends, you make them, you enjoy them with your beautiful family. You could enjoy them at the end of the day, or you could even share with your neighbors. And here I'm almost done. This is what takes a little long, getting all that decoration on top of your cookies. Look at this. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you have a beautiful Valentine's Day. And of course, I hope you make them and you enjoy them with your loved ones. I am ready to prepare the plate for the presentation, and I am ready to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing and delicious Valentine cookies. Of course, the decoration is just amazing. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, so crispy. Crispy from the outside and chewy from the inside. Just perfection made at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Of course, make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.